Very good morning all of you. Welcome to class 4 MDM Children Academy. Today we are going to read our kinds of pronoun which left in previous video, possessive pronoun or demonstrative pronoun. First of all, we have to again read our chart which we understand possessive pronoun, subjective pronoun and objective pronoun. Understand? So let's read. I'm just here gonna remind you about subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun because you have to know about where you have to use it. Okay, let's start. First singular pronoun, subject. First singular subject is I, means मैं. Objective pronoun of I is me. Possessive adjective is my and possessive pronoun mine. So you can say I, me, my, mine. Understand? Second singular pronoun is you, तुम. Object you. Possessive adjective your. Possessive pronoun yours. Understand? Third person male singular. He. Subject object him. Possessive adjective his and possessive pronoun his. Third person female is she. Possessive you have to learn. She, subject, object her, possessive adjective her and possessive pronoun is hers. Third person singular thing, it. Subject, object also it, possessive adjective its, possessive pronoun none. First person plural, we, made from two words I and you. Object is us, possessive adjective our, possessive pronoun ours. Second person plural is you, objective you, possessive adjective your and possessive pronoun yours, which we can say apostrophe s, right? Third person plural is they. They can be thing, male, female. Object is them, possessive adjective their and possessive pronoun theirs. Let's go further for understand possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun words that are used to talk about ownership are called possessive pronouns. या हम कह सकते हैं जो चीज़ अधिकार रखते हैं उन्हें हम possessive pronouns कहते हैं. Like words mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. Understand? I say this bouquet is he. He I give you in bracket. Okay, so he possessive pronoun is his. So what will I say? This bouquet is his. Understand? Possessive pronoun like words hers, its, theirs are not with spelled apostrophes. Understand? I say they made a science project. They made a science project. It's theirs. It's theirs. Understand? Possessive adhikar. I bought a new bicycle. It is mine. Mine, मेरी है. adhikar. We have bought a new house. It's ours. ये हमारा है. adhikar. Understand? Talk about the demonstrative pronoun. Words that which are used to point at objects or people, like that word used to point out nouns. Understand? We call demonstrative. Demonstrative words are this, that, these, those are pronouns. They help us to point at things. Like this is an umbrella. This we use for near. Those are flowers. Flowers are far, so indicate with arrow. Those. That is a book, right? These are glasses. These are my friends. Those are my sister's friend. That is the song we sang, like this. So these words we are called demonstrative. Now I'll give you exercise and you have to fill up according their pronouns. Understand? Okay.